just give a very brief on Bloomberg Philanthropies. Most of you know that Bloomberg is a very huge organization run by Mike Bloomberg, who was a mayor of New York City, but then he retired and he had a very good investment. Most of you journalists know him as the financial markets, and people look up to Bloomberg to ensure the finances in the world are actually actual data.
Never assume anything. Watu wengi wamekufa. Watu gani? Wangapi? NTSA ni bure, meaning what have they not done? Magari ni mingi sana, because just a jam ya mtu hapa mpaka hapa town. Then you say magari ni mingi sana. You don't have what? Data. You must have the right data so that you don't just put up a story which is a theory and then people start saying, which source did you get that from? Who told you?
The role of streets and safety, as I've elaborated, is that it is one of our biggest continuous public space. That's where we move, that's where we play, we learn to ride, we dine, we celebrate, we perform if we allow it to. But that hasn't been the case because we've primarily allowed just one type of user to dominate, the car. So when your take home today from my presentation should be to tell you, we want to start diversifying what we see on our streets. Because for a long time, we have told the user in the white car, you're important, so we will spend our billions on you. But we have told our children, you can even walk on the drains. We don't know if you will make it to school or you will fall in a pit. We don't know if the infrastructure you're working on is even safe for your limbs. And we continue to plan for just one user.
Thank you so much. First of all, let me begin by saying thank you for this training. It has been very informative, very interactive.
My name is Ali Sharif and I'm the Chief Officer, Department of Transport, Infrastructure and Public Works. I'm an engineer by profession. The intelligent transport system was basically supposed to, assist us in installing traffic lights around 22 across the entire CBD of Mombasa. All the junctions were supposed to be converted from roundabouts to cross junctions.
It has been very engaging. It is a good conversation with the media. Thank you so much, Kevin and the team. Diana, the presentation has been so nice. It has been engaging. Thank you, Samuel Sumba from NTSA. Data, facts, it's a good thing that even the media as a team can be able to embrace.